Instagram Reels is the quickest way right now to reach a wide audience of thousands or even millions of people. And I'm gonna be sharing my top 5 secret tips on how you can get more views and follows with just by creating 7 to 15 second videos. So secret number 1 is to have a really good hook. Now, what the heck is a hook? Basically, a hook is something that draws your viewer in within the first 3 seconds of your video, which by the way is the most important because after 3 seconds, the person's either going to decide to continue watching or swipe up to the next video. So basically what you want to do is you want to tell the viewer what your video is exactly about at the very beginning. But you don't want to tell them everything. You want to add some sort of like mystery to it to keep them watching until the very end. Just make sure though that you do deliver on your promise at the end, because if not, then there's a good chance they're probably just going to go on to the next video and not pay attention to you anymore. So let's take a look at one of my recent videos and see what the hook is. This is the best way to instantly up the quality of your video. So right there, people are already interested because they want to achieve a certain look to their content to make it look maybe more professional. Okay, so now let's go ahead and watch another one. So here's the truth. Your photos are gonna suck when you first start off in photography. Okay, so right off the bat, I start off with, so here's the truth, which is already creating some sort of level of interest. And then I jump into your photography is going to suck, which then gets people to really think about their own work and maybe whenever they first started in photography. And to make the video a little bit more interesting, I even add clips of the old portraits that I took when I first started photography, comparing to some portraits that I recently took about 2 weeks ago, showing the growth, which people really love to see because they're able to connect with that. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, hooks can be really difficult at first until you get the hang of it. So here's a few hooks that you can try in your next video. Make sure to go ahead and screenshot this slide right here. So secret number 2 is editing. Now, what do I mean by editing? So basically I try to do like a talking headshot for about 3 seconds, and then I liked for the clip to do something else. So that could mean that I'm either going to zoom this in slowly as I'm talking, maybe I'm going to zoom it out, or what I also like to do is add some B-roll. So let's say that you were talking about a camera lens in your video. Instead of just talking about it and showing your face, go ahead and add another clip of that camera lens specifically as you're talking about it, just to make it a little bit more unique, change things up a bit and keep people interested. Okay, now secret number 3 is one that I've been implementing recently and it has been a game changer, and it's just to create captions on your videos. And I actually didn't know this beforehand, but 1/3 of the people that view your videos actually view it without any sound. So that means if you don't have any captions in your videos, those people don't know what the heck is going on. And if they don't know what's going on, then they're probably just gonna scroll away to the next video. And another benefit to captions as well is that the text is going to pop up on that person's screen and they are now going to be forced to read that text, which is actively engaging them and having them stay longer within that video. Premiere Pro even has a feature, by the way, where it automatically creates captions for you. So really there's no excuse because Premiere does it, or you can do it within Instagram or TikTok. So secret number 4 is to provide value or some sort of level of entertainment. So basically, if you are creating a video and it is not helping somebody out, why should they care? Why should they watch that video? Now, for my own content, I like to educate others on photography and discuss topics within photography. So I am providing my knowledge, my experiences for free, which in turn people can relate to, and I have a much higher chance of them following me and interacting with my content. Now, on the entertainment side of things, what you probably want to focus on is relatability. If you can create a video that is relatable to the person that is watching, there's a really high chance they are probably going to share your video to their friends through messages, or maybe even in their story, which is really great for you, by the way, because everyone sees stories and that just means more views for you. I actually have a really good video on my page that has about 1.1 million views. Let's go ahead and check it out. So in this video, you basically see right away that I am looking at something on my monitor, and that one thing is a camera lens, and I start off as well with a really strong hook. Obviously, we all love camera gear, so people can really relate to that, and that's why this video was so successful. All right, secret number 5, and it is actually a really simple one, and it's just to be yourself. Now, if you're pretending to be somebody that you're not, people are gonna be able to tell right away. You're going to come across as someone that is not genuine, and that alone is just enough reason for them to not follow you or want to interact with your type of content at all. And my friends, those are my top 5 secrets that I use on my videos to reach thousands of people and get follows daily. So hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, stay creative, my friend, and I will see you in the next video.